By Ifeanyi Ejiofor. We visited Nnamdi today at the headquarters of the Department of State Services, DSS, Abuja, immediately after the proceedings of today, to specifically brief him on the outcome of today's proceedings. The apprehension initially raised by Nnamdi's absence in court was later resolved during the meeting with him. Nnamdi was profoundly enthused with today's proceeding. Nnamdi reaffirmed/reiterated his unshaken confidence in his legal team eminently led by the Oracle of Law Chief Mike Ozikome, San, and encouraged us to continue firing from all permissible legal fronts until his freedom is achieved. Nnamdi, who was visibly irked by the disenchantment generated by his message of peace, assured the affected persons to be prepared to be receiving such messages from him on a regular basis, until all forms of criminality in our land is completely eradicated. Nnamdi specifically directed that I issue the foregoing statements, and reiterate his condemnation of any form of criminality, as follows. Anybody who is his follower, anybody called to liberate our people should be fully aware of his four creeds, which are: 1. You must be without fear before your enemies. 2. You must speak the truth always even if it leads to your death. 3. You must defend the weak, the poor and those who are unable to defend themselves. Anybody involved in any form of criminality is not a child of God. Anybody using the name of the ESN to commit crime should know that they are working against the spirit of the struggle, and Nnamdi Kanu, himself, because it was put in place, to put an end to all forms of criminality in our land. 4. Be upright that God may love thee. This is all IPOB is about: to serve God, to defend our land and demand for our inalienable rights. IPOB's peaceful movement does not condone criminality of any kind. It is important to mention, particularly for the benefit of the undiluted, resolute and OsazuwaAkonedo, that my lawyers and myself are not the only persons that visit Nnamdi. There are other persons who visit him, on each routine visit. These persons are known to you all, thus, they can verify, confirm or even openly contradict these messages as those proceeding from Nnamdi, and or whether our indefatigable client Nnamdi Kanu passed these messages or not. Finally, Nnamdi commended OsazuwaAkonedo for not letting him down, particularly now the gullibles are being exploited and used to blackmail him and his peaceful movement. He urges you all OsazuwaAkonedo never to let down your guard, while appreciating you all, once again, for your uncommon solidarity, relentless prayers, and peaceful conduct. Nnamdi is very confident that our landmark victory recorded at the Court of Appeal has come to stay, and can never be taken away from him under any guise. Nnamdi's freedom is sacrosanct and not negotiable. Thank you all, OsazuwaAkonedo, and remain blessed. We move. At Views Exclusive Rights, Sir Ifeanyi Ejiofor, IPOB's lead counsel, 14th of November, 2022.